This is AP problem 8, starting off here with letter A, which is write the equilibrium constant expression for the reaction represented above. So the reaction represented above here, as we see, is NH3 plus water yields NH4 plus OH minus. So the equilibrium constant expression would be products of reactants. So we take the NH4, put it on top, the OH minus, put it on top, and it's the concentrations of it. Then we put the NH3 on the bottom. That's letter A. Letter B asks you to determine the pH of 0.0180 molarity NH3 aqueous. So as we look up here, the concentration of OH or hydroxide ions is 5.6 times 10 to the negative 4 molarity. So we take that here and we put it into the negative log, which gets us the pOH value. And from the pOH value, we take 3.3 away from 14 to get the pH, which is 10.7. For C here, we have to determine the value of the base ionization constant, or Kb, for NH3. So for this here, you just take the equilibrium constant expression, and as we see that the concentration of OH is also the same as NH4. So since they're the same, we plug it in and it's squared. So it's 5.6 times 10 to the negative 4 squared over, we have the molarity of the NH3 right there, which is 0.0180. And we subtract it from the concentration of OH minus, which is 5.6 times 10 to the negative 4. From here, I plug this into my calculator and I get 1.7 times 10 to the negative 5, and that would be Kb. For D here, it is asking to determine the percent ionization of NH3 in the 0.0180 molarity NH3 aqueous solution. So this is really easy. You just take the concentration of OH minus and put it over the molarity. That's a 0, not a 6. So you put it over the molarity of the NH3 and you multiply it by 100 because you want percent, and you get 3.1%, or if we wrote this out in decimals, it would be 0.031. And that's all for this AP problem. Thanks.